back to my kitchen, guys. Today we're gonna do pastry cream. For that you're gonna need sugar, vanilla, 2 eggs, cornstarch and milk. So now I have here 500 milliliters of milk and 100 grams of sugar. And here I have 40 grams of Maizena or cornstarch and 2 eggs. I'm gonna add the vanilla. After you wanna mix the eggs with the cornstarch. Now put your milk and sugar into medium heat and bring it to a gentle simmer. So my milk is now at a gentle simmer. I'm gonna pour almost half of it or a third into my egg mixture. Give it a nice mix and pour it all back in the milk. Now leave it at a medium heat and always keep whisking until it starts to bind. When it starts to bubble, you want to leave it now for 2 to 3 minutes. Salud. So mine is now ready. You want to go ahead and press it to a zip. This is going to take out the big vanilla pin on it and some small lumps you might have on the cream. Salud. So it's now ready. You can see I have pretty much not much inside. You want to now be very careful because it's very hot, and you want to cover it with cling film and put it touching the cream. And set it in a fridge to completely cool down. So this was the recipe, guys. This cream is amazing to fill eclairs or donuts, even for cakes. Don't forget to comment and subscribe our channel. Go follow us on Instagram. See you next time.